human efficiency has its limits. Limits that need to be pushed. Discover the Nexaro HUB, the future of facility management. Use a single, centralized platform to organize your customers, their buildings, and the collaboration of cleaning staff and cobots. Manage and control any number of cobots entirely intuitively, including across multiple locations. Safe in the knowledge that all the data collected will be handled in the strictest confidence. Secure your success with the Nexaro HUB. Nexaro. Secure your success.